So let it scream, let it shout, let them know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt that today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration. If you believe that Jesus set you free, it's time to celebrate. Don't sit there waiting, let's have a celebration. Me, I need less of me. Father, Son, and Spirit, that's who I call G-O-D. I used to be a blind man until you let me see.